Okay, so we begin by casting on multiples of 11 plus 1. So I've done 2 multiples, so I've got in total 23 stitches here. Let's begin with the first row. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 3. We knit 2 together. Then we SSK, which is a slip, slip, knit. Then we knit 3 again. And then yarn over. Okay, let's do that again. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, then we knit 2 together. Then we slip, slip, knit. Then we knit 3 again. 1, 2, 3. And to finish off, we yarn over and knit 1. Okay, for the second row, we're just going to purl across. So we're just purling across the entire row. Okay, so the third row will be a repeat of the first row. So we do that again. So we knit 1, yarn over, then knit 3. Knit 2 together. This is K. 3. Then we yarn over. Let's do that again. Yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3. Here we knit 2 together. SSK. Knit 3. Yarn over and knit 1. And you can see it's starting to take shape. Now we just purl across the fourth row. Just purl across the whole thing. And you just continue like this to the end of the fourth row. That's how it's starting to look. You can already see the eyelets forming here. Okay. Now the fifth row, again, we're just copying the first row. So the fifth row is, again, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3. We just knit 2 together, and then we slip, slip, knit, decrease here. Knit 3, yarn over, and you continue. Okay, for row 6, we just purl across. So just purl across the whole thing. Okay, so for the 7th row, this is where we make a change. So what we're doing on the 7th row is that we're just going to purl across. Just continue to purl across the hole. Okay, now on the 8th row, we're on the wrong side of the work and we're going to knit across. So just keep knitting across. And there you have it. You just repeat those 8 rows and you get a nice ripple stitch with the eyelets and then the garter stitch across.